many dog toys does Rex have? There are 5 toys in the basket. Alex is trying to figure out how many toys would be in the basket if Rex took 3 toys out.
3 toys out.
When you take away from a total number, you are subtracting. What are we doing to solve this problem?
What are you doing to solve this problem?
Subtracting.
Subtracting or taking away, right? How many are we taking away?
3.
We are using cubes to represent the toys, taking 3 away and counting the toys that are left. Let's count together. 1, 2. 2 toys are left.
Alright, let's try it. Alright,
Drag each picture to match it with a subtraction equation.
okay. 5 minus 3 equals 2. So which one shows 5 minus 3? They take away 3. So there's an X on 3 here, there's an X on 3 here. But this one only shows a total of 4. Does this one show a total of 5 to begin with? So is it this one?
Yeah.
Let's see. Alright, so 5 minus 3 equals 2 left. Alright, 4 minus 3 equals 1. If it's the first one, put 1 finger up. If it's the second one, put 2 fingers up. Which one do you think it is? 4 minus 3 equals 1. Oh, very good. Look at that. 4. Some friends said it's the first one. 4 minus 3 equals 1. And some friends said it was the second one. 4 minus 3 equals 1. So which one do you think it is?
2.
The second one here, right? There's 4 of them, and they take away 3, and there's 1 left. So then this one has 5, and it takes away 1. It equals 4. All right, here we go.
What are we doing to solve the problem?
5 minus 3 equals, we're taking away how many? 3, and we know that there's 2 left.
We are counting back from the last number. 5, 4, 3. We end up with 2 left. Which one has the correct answer? They both have the correct answer. Now, let's look at the number sentence to learn what each part means. What does the 5 mean in the number sentence?
There's 5 toys, yeah?
The 5 means the number of toys in all. What does the minus sign mean?
What does the minus sign mean? Take away.
The minus sign means subtract, separate, or take away. In this problem, the minus sign means that some toys were taken out of the basket. What does the 3 mean?
What does the 3 mean? The 3 toys were taken away?
The 3 is the number of toys taken out of the basket. Now, let's put the parts of the number sentence back together. When you put the parts of the number sentence together, it says that there were a total of 5 toys and 3 were taken away. That means that there are now 2 toys left.
Alright,
Very
awesome.
scary if somebody is popping. What? Out of the basket.
Okay, here we go.
It'd be very scary if someone jumps out of the wrapping paper.
Alright, here we go. Everyone should be looking at this page here. Listen to the...
Marta's dog, Spot, loves to eat doggy biscuits. Marta put 6 biscuits in a bag. One day, Spot ate 4 biscuits. Now, there are only 2 left. How does Marta know there are 2 biscuits left? You or numbers to explain and show your work.
Okay, so how many did she have first?
I just did it on my finger.
How many? She had 6, right? So we can use counters. So you can draw 6 counters. Ooh, that one jumped up again. Sometimes they jump up. I don't know why. Okay, Marta put 6 dog biscuits in a bag. Alright. How many did Spot eat? Who remembers how many Spot ate? Charlotte?
4.
4. So we want to X out, cross out 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now there are, how many left? 2. 2 left. So they were right. Now there are only 2 left. So we can write our equation. We started with 6. We take away 4. 6 minus 4 equals how many were left? 2. So 6 minus 4 equals 2. I want to see this on your paper. Arms out, please. Thank you. All right, looks good. All right, everyone's got it? All right. You still remember from the first. Let's see. Maybe it'll work. Okay, flip your one page over so that you see the video again that we just watched. They are. Okay, so in the video, there were 5 toys. They took out 3. They said 5, 4, 3. They knew there were 2 left, right? They counted backwards there. Now let's look at number 1. You're going to listen to the story. We're going to draw a picture to show what's happening and write the subtraction equation. All right, so Marta has 6 kittens. So how many blocks are here? 6. So go ahead and trace the 6 blocks. Trace 6 blocks. Make sure you have 6 blocks.
It would be cuter if they actually showed the kitten.
Yeah, I know. You love those kittens.
Me too.
Yeah?
I saw one when I was going to D2Z.
Okay, mask up then. Okay, Marta has 6 kittens. She gives them a big bowl of water to drink. But there's only room for 4 kittens to drink at the same time. How does Marta know that 2 kittens have to wait? How does she know? So we started with 6, and there were only room for 4 kittens, right? So 4 kittens into the water bowl. So we take away 4. How many kittens were left that still had to drink?
I would give them a way bigger bowl.
That would be another solution, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, how many are left? How many kittens were left that still have to drink? 2. And we know that because we had 6. We took the 4 away that were drinking, and we had 2 left, right? You know, there's 2 kittens left. Okay, flip your paper over. Okay. Yeah, it did. That's okay.
This is going to be a show unit. This is so
Okay, number 2. Why that always goes right here now. Come on. There we go. All right, number 2. Listen to the story. We're going to draw a picture to show what's happening, and then write an equation. Okay, Emily sees 8 rabbits at a pet store. So we know she sees 8 rabbits. So we can draw 8 rabbits. Or counters or cubes. Okay? I'm going to draw 8 cubes today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Emily sees 8 rabbits rabbits at a pet store. Someone buys 3 of them. How many rabbits are left? So we started out with how many? 8 altogether. So what are we going to do next, Georgia?
5 are left.
Okay, but how do we find that out? What do we have to do next? You are right. Okay, so how many did we say that they bought?
3.
3 of them. So we have to take away, use the minus sign. You have to take away 3 of them, right? So if we take away 3 of them, then we get your answer, the difference. Which is what, Georgia? How many were left?
5.
5. 8 take away 3 equals 5. Or 8 minus 3 equals 5. Okay, let's move on to number 3. Listen to the story. Emily sees 7 birds in a cage. The pet store owner opens the cage door and 3 fly out. How many birds are left? Okay, so how many birds did Emily see in the cage first? Ethan.
7.
7. So we want to make 7 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If some flew out of the cage, we have to take away. So we got to make sure we put our minus sign. How many flew away?
3.
3. So we have to take away 3. So make sure you put X's on 3. 7 minus 3 equals, how many were left?
2.
Count how many are left. How many you did not cross out? Come on up. 4. We have to make sure we put our equal sign. And then there were 4 left. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Everybody, are you on the right page? Flip. Go ahead and mark this one. Run it back. Make sure we get it. All right. Make sure everyone else is good. Okay, awesome. Moving on to number 4. Emily sees 8 puppies in the store. 6 of them are sold. How many puppies are left? This time we're going to draw counters. So how many puppies were in the store to begin with? Charlotte?
8.
8. So draw 8 counters for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we started with 8 in the store. How many of them were sold?
6.
6. So we have to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 6. How many are left? 2. Equals 2 that are left in the store. Okay, number 5. Just raise your hand if you need any more time. Okay, perfect. I'm going to come over here and help you get this so that you're ready to go on the next one.
It's snowing outside.
Look, it is snowing a little bit.
The lights are off. The lights
They said it
are
was
off the Christmas tree. Look at it. The other one, look at the bottom.
All right, we're moving on to number 5.
The other is where the outlet's at. And the stars.
Don't worry about that. This one right now. Okay.
I think there's snow on the ground. There is?
It's just not sticking. Sometimes snow doesn't stick to the ground. It just kind of falls and it's not cold enough. Or it's just not.
It's right there.
It's not the right kind of
stars.
snow.
How many stars?
Okay, good Mr. Doug question. Okay, number 5. Emily sees 5 hamsters sleeping. 1 leaves to eat birds are left. So she sees 5 hamsters. So draw 5 counters. And we know that there are 5 that we start with, right? She saw 5 hamsters. Then get working, bud. How many left to eat? Who remembers? 1 left to eat. So we take 1 away, minus 1. So if we're at 5, we have 4 now, right? We take 1 away, 5, and there's 4. We have 4 left. 5 minus 1 equals 4. And you're ready to flip to the back? And now you're ready to keep going. All right, we're ready to go to the last page. Okay, number 6. You're going to listen to each story, draw a picture to show what's happening, and write an equation. You can go ahead and use counters. There are 6 birds in a bird bath. So how many counters are you going to start with? 6. Draw 6 counters. Up here by number 6. There were 6 birds in a bird bath. 4 fly away. How many birds are left? So I'm going to see if you can do this one on your own. I'll read it one more time. There were 6 birds in a bird bath. 4 fly away. How many are left? Go ahead and do that problem. Draw the picture. Cross out the ones that flew away and write your equation. Good job. Working hard. Nice work. Working hard. Nice job. Nice job. Good. Okay, how many did you start with? Okay, you said 4 flew away. So make sure 4 fly away. How many are left? Good, don't forget your equal sign. Okay, if 4 flew away, you gotta put minus 4. And then find out how many are left. Okay, is your answer. Okay, number 7. Right next door. There are 5 acorns under a tree. A squirrel takes 3 of them. So just draw counters. There were 5 acorns under a tree and a squirrel takes 3 of them. How many acorns are left? Go ahead and draw your picture. Cross out how many the squirrel took. There were 5 acorns under a tree. So draw 5 counters. Give us. 1, 2. The squirrel took 3 of them. Okay, so we said there were 5, so write 1. And the squirrel took 3 of them. Good. How many were left? around the picture that shows the story and tell why the other picture does not show the story, and write an equation. So which one is it? There are 4 ducks in a pond. 1 leaves. How many ducks are left? So which one shows that? The top one or the bottom one? There were 4 ducks in a pond. 1 leaves. How many ducks are left? All right, let me stop the video.